This problem, we want to find an equation of line satisfying the given conditions, giving it in slope-intercept form if possible, and it passes through the point 7, 3, and is perpendicular to negative 7x plus 3y equals negative 58. So 7, 3, and it's perpendicular to negative 7x plus 3y equals negative 58. Okay, let's refresh our memory on the steps. So finding an equation of the line given a point and a perpendicular line. Step 1. We want to find them. And then our first substep within that is to write the given line in slope-intercept form. Our second substep is to identify the slope. Our third substep says perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So m is equal to, and then dot, dot, dot. And we'll come back to that. Step 2, plug in the given point for x and y, and m from 1c into y equals mx plus b, and solve for b. And step 3, write your answer. Plug in m from 1c and b from step 2 into y equals mx plus b. Okay, so let's go through these steps on this problem. Step 1, find m. First substep within that, write the given line in the slope-intercept form. So 1a, we're going to take the given line, the negative 7x plus 3y equals negative 58, and write it in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form means you get y by itself. So to begin with, we'll take this negative 7x and move it to the right side. So we get 3y is equal to 7x minus 58. Remember, you take anything across equals, your sign changes, so the negative 7x becomes a positive 7x. Then we divide everything by the number in front of our y. So we'll divide everything by 3. And that gives us y is equal to 7/3 x minus 58 over 3. B. Identify the slope. The reason why we put it in slope-intercept form is so we can easily see what our slope is. So slope is 7/3. C. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So we're going to start with the slope from 1b, which we just said was 7/3. Then we're going to write it in fraction form. So write it in fraction form. This was already a fraction, so we didn't have to do anything. But if you had 5, for example, remember you can always create a fraction by putting it over 1. And then we're going to flip it. Top goes to bottom, bottom goes to the top. That's the reciprocal part. And then we're going to change its sign. So it goes from positive 3/7 to a negative 3/7. Some books, instead of referring to that as a negative reciprocal, refer to it as an opposite reciprocal. So the m we're trying to find is going to be negative 3/7. Now, once you get comfortable with this idea, you don't have to go through all these steps to find out what your m is. You visualize it. You got a slope. You think of it in fraction form. If it's not already there, flip it, change the sign. Okay, so we now know what m is. There's the phone. Okay. Step 2. Plug in a given point for x and y. Remember, they give you a point. They're giving you the x and the y, a specific case. So I can plug 7 in for x and 3 in for y. Okay, let's just listen to who it was. Nothing important, it's for my wife. So plug 3 in for the y. M we just said was negative 3/7. And then x is 7 plus b. 7's cancel, so we got 3 is equal to negative 3 plus b. Take the negative 3 over, becomes a positive 3. And you get b is equal to 6. So then step 3. Plug in m from 1c. M from 1c is negative 3/7. And b from step 2, which we said was 6. And our answer is y is equal to negative 3/7 x plus 6.